Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark from Loose Screw Reviews, back getting another video. And today I'm gonna be doing a review of a reward subscription box from a GNC vitamin store. You know what I'm saying? GNC, where everybody get their workout stuff from. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so be notified when we do videos. Tell a friend, and stay tuned till the end for some little information on the channel. Alright, now we got all the business business and politics out of the way. Oh, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Now we got all that politicking and business out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, hope everybody had a good and blessed day. This is your boy Mark from Loose Screws and Views. Loose Screws and Views. I know I'm talking fast like a locomotive, but yeah, today is I'm doing something a little different. It's not tech, but it's something to keep you healthy so you can enjoy your tech. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm doing a review of like a rewards member box from GNC. Like you go to GNC general nutrition stores, you know, the vitamin store. Like, you know, a lot of people that athletes work out, they go and get these supplements or whatever to keep healthy. Like you can get vitamin C, all that good stuff, and all your basic vitamins and workout powders and all that good stuff. Well, when you sign up for their rewards member program, you get these boxes to come in the mail. I think once a quarter, once a year. I'm not really sure, but I forgot what it was. But it's been so long since we signed up for it, and it came in the mail. So this is what they sent me. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's see what nothing on the box. Does it say Pro on here? Nothing. It said the best, the best, most epic, or best epic, innovative, hottest, next level. It says my GNC Pro box. This is called the GNC Pro box. The latest and the greatest from GNC. So it's just, I guess they send you little samples of different products. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Enough talking. Okay, this is the box for the guys. Oh, so, and here it says, love it, try it, crush it. Show off your box, hashtag GNC Pro Box. And then, you know, it's telling you to go on Facebook and all that, and Twitter and Instagram and all that good stuff. But I'm here on YouTube showing it to you guys, to my subscribers, to all my fans out here and all my people. Alright, first thing we got in the box, because I'm not sure what's all in the box, but we got some, look like some soft chews. You can see right here. Bring it up close. It's a soft chew multivitamin, like basically some gummies. Okay, I'm going to try them out. Gummies, I guess they're supposed to give you some energy or whatever. It says support, provide 100% daily value of 14 vitamins and minerals. Supports energy and metabolism with natural resistance and healthy teeth and bones. All right, 2 soft chews, 1 daily supply. All right. So if I like them, I might have to go get a bottle of them. All right, and then on the back it just shows you what's all in them. So you can, I'm not gonna read all that because we gotta get through this box. So you can pause this and read it for yourself and see all the little vitamins that comes in it. To tell you, you know, how much is in there. Put that to the side. See what's next. All right, we got the pineapple flavor essential amino energy. So I guess this is like a powder to go in some water, so you can make it like an energy drink. So like a Kool-Aid or something like that. Like a, you know, let me shake it. Yeah, that's a powder in there. I thought it felt like liquid, or I guess it's the air. It's a powdered amino energy drink. And you see here it says anytime energy, focus plus recovery. Daily supplement. Tell you 2 servings on here. All right. And on the back it tells you the directions on it. You mix a half a packet of water in there, and 10 to 12 ounces of cold water. Then you got a nice cold energy boost drink. Alright, pineapple flavor. I wish it would have said like a raspberry or a cherry, but hey, I'll try the pineapple. I'm good with the pineapple. What's next in the box? What is this? This looks like something for cell phone. Let me go ahead and well, how you open the bad boy? Okay, let's see right here. Open it right here. Like a waterproof pouch, or like for you when you're exercising and you're working out. Let's take that out. Okay, that's pretty cool. Toss that paper to the side. That's pretty cool. It's very shiny. It's pretty cool. I think this is a waterproof case. So you can like put your accessories in there. So if you're working out or whatever, you don't want to get stuff where you get caught in the rain, you're out there walking or out there running. Too cool. Got a little lanyard on here and everything. Wear around your neck. And right here to seal it up, I guess you fold this like so. Got the little Velcro cover. Bam. Put your little cell phone there. Let me get my let me get a cell phone out and put it in there and try it out. This is an old Samsung phone I got laying around. Let's try it out. Let's stuff it in there. See how this thing works. Okay. Okay. Reaches out like that. Let's go ahead and open up this pouch. Let me do the smell test on here. It smells like new rubber. Yeah. Oh, it's got two Ziplocs on there. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff the phone in there like that. Bam. Close it up. Close this one up. And then turn it around and I'm going to put these out like that. Put these out like that. Then fold it over. Boy, ain't nothing getting in there, is it? Bam. You can hang it around your neck. Got the little My GNC Pro access. Make sure they got the GNC branded on there. Let everybody know you're a GNC Pro. And then throw your phone in like that. I know I got the phone upside down, but you get the gist of it. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, these elderberries. Now I know about these elderberries. This right here is good. It's like if you know, to keep you from catching colds or something. It's almost like vitamin C, but this is good for for the common cold. You take these supplements that keep you, help support your immune system, to keep your immune system up. These are pretty good, almost like vitamin C. So this is pretty cool. The gummies, I already buy these gummies, so yeah, these work pretty good. So if you got a cold, it helps fight off the cold, and like I say, especially with stuff that's going on, this is pretty cool. I mean, it worked for me. You know, it might work different for other people, but it's the Sambuco. I hope I'm saying it right. Black elderberry gummies. So yeah, they got like a little 1 day trial packet, and on the back it tells you information on the back, coupon, all that good stuff. So save $2 on your next purchase of it. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I take them all the time anyway. You can see what else in the box. Oh man, it's packed full of gummies. They must know I love gummies. Alright, we got some sour, 3 grams of sugar per bag gummies. So not a lot of sugar. So if them people that's trying to watch the sugar intake, that's pretty good. 1.8 ounce. Tells you a little information back. Kick the sugar, keep candy. Okay, okay. High in fiber, free from artificial sweeteners, dairy, soy, lactose free, peanut and tree nut free. Free from artificial colors, natural flavor. You got a raspberry in here. Put it up closer so you can see it. You got raspberry in here, apple, lemon, peach. Okay, okay. They knew what I like. I didn't even tell them I like gummy there, but I guess because I bought some gummies, so okay. But I didn't buy these kind. Okay, gotta try these. All right. What else we got in here? We got a meal kit card. So $80 meal kit card. So I guess you got to go over to HelloFresh.com and claim within 30 days to get your 80% off. So alright, okay, that's pretty cool. So meal kit card. Let me see what it says on the back of here. You look on the back and it says enjoy a home cooked meal and and get cooking in 3 easy steps. Choose from 21 different recipes. Get your box in the mail, and then enjoy cooking. So I think it's already prepared. It's already got, all the ingredients you need, and you just got to go ahead and cook it, and put it together. When you subscribe to that right there. All right, I'm not sure I'm gonna do that. I might have to give that away. I'm not sure. I don't know. But anyway, like I say, once we get that 2,000, yep. It says what does this say? We're sorry we got in the bind. Could include one of the free samples in your Pro Box. Instead, we've included another sample just for you. You can pause this video for yourself. So it was something else they were supposed to put in the box. They weren't able to do it, so they said they're sorry, so they included something else in here, alright? I'm not sure what that was. I don't know. I didn't really know what I was going to get in the box anyway. Alright, this is, they're kind of like coupons or whatever. Like a coupon. Oh, this is a coupon and recipes and stuff like that. Okay. The recipes and tell you about all the little other stuff they offer. Alright, it's a good look. Put that to the side. See what else we got in the box. Got a lot of goodies in the box. Alright, overnight oats. Hunger satisfying, high protein oatmeal. Okay, oatmeal. I don't really, get down with oatmeal. My wifey liked the oatmeal, so it's the cinnamon and brown sugar flavor. So I think she'll like that. It tells you 23 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, gluten free. All right, but I do like that cinnamon brown sugar. I might try them. What else we got in the box? Almost done. We got natural vitality, raspberry lemon flavor. That's what I'm talking about. I like me some raspberry. Natural calm and relaxing magnesium supplement. Okay. The anti-stress drink. All right, and this I think everybody needs some anti-stress in their lives nowadays. You need something to calm you down. So this is pretty cool. Vegan, verified, no GMOs, restores healthy magnesium levels. Okay. So that's something new. I never heard this before. Pour it into a powder. Add to about 2 to 3 ounces of hot water. Let it fizz, stir, dissolve. Fill with cold water and enjoy. So you put in, look like you put it in warm water, let it fizz, and then you go back and pour some cold water in there, and bam, drink the natural calm. What is this? It says you can also simply add natural calm to a glass or a bottle of cold water. So either or. But you put it in some warm water first, shake it up, whatever. I'm just gonna put it in some cold water, shake it up, and then drink like that. You know what I'm saying? But all right, that's cool. Last but not least, the last thing we got in here, we got some GNC Total Lean CLA plus Carotene diet supplement. So I guess this is kind of like a smoothie powder or something like that. 1.7 grams of CLA and 1 gram of L-carotene per serving. Improves body consumption. Let's see, you can bring this up closer so you guys can see it. Improves body consumption. Helps to fuel muscle recovery. Stimulant free and sugar free. And this is the berry sorbet. I say sherbet, but berry sorbet. Okay, I like that flavor. I might try it out and see what's the directions on here. It's dietary supplement. Mix 1 packet in 8 ounces of cold water and enjoy for the best results. Take two servings daily, 30 to 60 minutes prior to exercise. All right, so you take this before you exercise. On non-training days, take two servings may be consumed at any time. So okay, so this is basically for before a workout. Okay, I never heard of this before. Like I said, I never heard none of this stuff in here, this box, except for the elderberry. That's the only thing I really heard of. So it was the only thing I had heard of before. So okay, some new stuff. I guess to get you to come back in the store to buy some stuff from. Like I said, this is the Pro Box from GNC. That's all that's in the box except for some confetti. You can't eat that. All right. Let's see what else. What does it say in the box? Put this confetti to the side. Oh, in the box you can see right here. It says, only consume 1 sample per day. Follow all instructions. Follow all directions on the label and note any. Somebody's car alarm going off right when you're doing the video. Really, get it together, people. And or I said, let me read it again. Only consume 1 sample per day. Follow all directions on the label, and note any caffeine content prior to use. So be wary of any caffeine you've already consumed, any caffeine drinks or food, whatever you're gonna have during the day. So a little warning inside the box. All right. But basically, that's all that comes in the box. This is the GNC Pro Box. You see right here, GNC Pro Box from GNC, the little vitamin shop or your vitamin store or whatever. Get you all your stuff for your workout supplements and all that good stuff. So let's put the box to the side. And this is all you get right here in that box. This is what came this time. So I think I want to say they come every quarter or annually. I'm not sure. There's a bunch of goodies in here. Bunch of goodies. Bunch of goodies. Bunch of goodies. And tons of gummies. So that's all you get in the box. Yep. And an apology for something they missed. They left out. And you get this cool waterproof bag to put your cell phone on, or in my case, put my iPod in. Yes, I still rock an iPod. You know, get all my music on there, my favorite playlist. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So you ain't gotta worry out there, get caught in the rain. You gotta worry about getting wet. All right. Oh, almost dropped it. What? All right. That's been my review of the GNC Pro Box. I know it's not tech. Well, I usually do tech on the channel, and sometimes I do sneakers, but you know, hey, I got this. I said, I can share it with everybody, all my subscribers, and all my finna be new subscribers, so you guys can check it out. All right? Don't want to keep it all to myself. Let you guys see what you get in the GNC box. All right. That's been my review, and I appreciate you guys taking the time out of the day to check out the video and check out my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some more exciting things once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark. So come on, you know, we'll get there. We'll get there before you know it. So as soon as we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some more new exciting things on the channel. All right. I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. And the message for today is, I want to say, pay attention to instruction, and also, let me see, also, don't be that person to think you know everything. Don't be Mr. Know-It-All or Mrs. Know-It-All, you know what I'm saying? Be open to new ideas, and also, you know, when people are giving out instructions, especially what's going on out in the world today, pay attention to it. Don't think you know better than what everybody else knows. You know what I'm saying? Live a while and then get some experience under your belt before you think you know everything. All right? That's been the message for the day. You know what I'm saying? Be respectful. Be open to new ideas. Listen to what people are trying to tell you. If they're trying to tell you something good. If you hear something from one side, hear something from the other side. Take a little bit from both sides. Don't just narrow yourself off to one piece of information. Be open to all the information. Take bits and pieces out of all the information that you receive. Just don't have yourself narrowed down into one box. Listen to all the information, and then you gather up with the part of the information that's going to work for you. All right, that's been the message for today. I know it's a little complicated, but yeah, you get it. All right, it's been your boy Mark, Flu Screws and Bills. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.